Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making this beautiful and delicious 3-tier mixed fruit cake without using any special equipment. This is so easy to make. Once you make this cake, I promise you will never buy any fancy birthday or anniversary cake from bakery. This cake has so many tropical fruits which give this cake a unique and classic flavor. All you need is basic cake ingredients and some seasonal fruits. Let's start the recipe, but before that, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new recipes every week. Starting off with 1.5 cup of soft butter. In that, add 1.5 cup of sweetened condensed milk. Check out my condensed milk recipe, link is in the description box below. Now whisk both the ingredients very well until you get a smooth paste. Now add 1.5 cup of room temperature milk. Whisk it well, and if your mixture looks like this, nothing to worry about it, it's totally fine. Now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. It's time for our dry ingredients. Sift 3 and 3/4 cup, which is 3.75 cups of all-purpose flour or maida, half cup of powdered sugar, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of salt. After sifting all the ingredients, just mix everything well with a spatula or a whisker. As you can see, my batter is lump-free, which is the most important thing for any cake. Now I'm using 8, 6 and 4-inch cake molds aligned with the parchment paper. Grease each mold with some butter and pour the batter. Fill each mold half because they are going to rise while baking. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Pat all the cake molds a few times. For 4-inch cake, it will take 30 minutes. For 6-inch cake, it will take about 35 minutes, and for 8-inch cake, it will take about 45 minutes to bake. Since every oven is different, so time may vary by couple of minutes. I would suggest not to bake all the cakes at the same time because if you open the oven in between, the other 2 cakes might sink. Now let's prepare the frosting. Here I have 3 cups of cold heavy cream. In that, I'm adding 1.5 cup of powdered sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk it until stiff peaks. Frosting is ready. Keep it in the fridge until our cakes bake and cool down. My cakes have baked now. Unmold each cake and let them cool down completely. I'm going to keep them in the fridge so that they can cool faster. Next I have 1 cup of mixed fruits. Here I have taken some chopped strawberries, mangoes, pineapple, raspberries, blueberries and some lychees. You can use any fruit you like, and it would be great if you use some sweet and sour fruits. In these fruits, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of mixed fruit jam. Mix well and set it aside. Now, when all the cakes have cooled, cut each cake into half horizontally. Now on a cake turntable, place the first part of the 8-inch cake and spread some frosting and some mixed fruits. Place the second layer and some frosting. Crumb coat the cake and keep it in the fridge. Repeat the same process with 6-inch and 4-inch cakes. Once you finish the crumb coat, always keep the cake in the fridge for at least 20 minutes. This will help frosting to set, which will make further process a lot easier. After 20 minutes, apply some more frosting on each cake and smoothen it from all the sides. Once you finish it, we can start assembling the cake. Transfer 8-inch cake on a turntable and then carefully place 6-inch and 4-inch cake over it. If you see a little gap in between the cakes, don't worry about it, it's totally fine. Take a piping bag with some frosting and make dot design all around the cake. This will hide the gap and also make our cake look more beautiful. Now here is the fun part. Decorate the cake with all the fruits you have. I have some mango, strawberries, muskmelon, apple, orange and grapes. I have cut them in some interesting shape just for fun. Use toothpicks to stick all the fruits. Decorate the cake however you like and enjoy. I hope you liked this video. If you have any doubt about the video, do let me know in the comment section. Do like, share and subscribe Belly Timber House and hit the bell icon so you get the notification whenever I upload a new video. Also check out my hot chocolate bomb without mold recipe, melting chocolate ball recipe and many more. I'll put all the links below in the description box. Thank you for watching. See you next time.